Here comes Jacob Fatu.
One of the scariest competitors in all of WWE.
Here's someone who always has a plan and...
All set for this Extreme Rules matchup, ladies and gentlemen, where the rules are as simple as they come. There are none. Competitors set for action as we see Jacob Fatu, Seth Rollins, and Randy Orton.
Many Extreme Rules matches in history, but I don't believe we've ever seen a true blueprint for success in this contest.
Draw up the blueprints and throw them away, Saxton, because they'll do you no good. The amount of variables in play in this match make it extremely unpredictable.
It couldn't have felt good being chucked around like that. Showing off their deadlifting prowess and just tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Cranked around into a neck breaker.
Ooh, one step ahead there.
He's able to avoid heavy contact. Precision strike to the back of the neck.
Oh, and a rear super kick.
From behind, nasty.
Does this style of match favor a more unhinged superstar?
Oh, yeah. You need a twisted imagination to take full advantage of a no disqualification match. That said, sometimes this match brings out a darker side you wouldn't expect in some superstars.
Ooh,
big kick right to the gut.
And Jacob getting some pushback there.
Yeah, Rollins not allowing himself to be held down.
Okay, he should really focus on the match now. We get the point.
Power slam. Good night.
Uh-oh.
Now bringing the fight back into the ring. Able to capitalize on Jacob Fatu's mistake. And the manager is searching under the ring. He could only be looking for something nefarious down there.
Hooks it up.
Oh, Falcon Arrow.
Spinning kick to the gut. Now looking to do battle right here in front of us.
Oh, man, meeting the barricade.
Oh, right to the back.
Going outside. What's he got planned here?
He is looking to do some serious harm.
Ooh. Oh, what a clubbing blow.
Steered away there. Rollins got out of the way. Took him out at the knee.
Illegal in many sports, but that was used effectively in there. Looks like he's coming back in.
And a stomp to the gut.
Isolating their opponent's arm and goodness gracious. And repeated impacts like that will weaken you mentally as much as it does physically.
You can see the dominance on display by Orton.
Rollins has to devise a new plan. Oh my goodness, dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Kick to the gut. Here's the setup.
Powerbomb! That powerbomb was absolutely worthy of both halves of its name. Ooh, merciless looking blow.
Orton able to counter.
Ooh.
He connects with a counter.
Ooh, jarring European uppercut.
And he's got to be in absolute agony right now.
And his body has to be in extreme amounts of pain right now. And a series of vicious stomps. Putting the boots to an opponent will take the fight out of them in a hurry.
Quickly slips behind into the German.
Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
Oh, my gosh!
He's not going to be able to pull this off, is he?
Oh,
Is he?
yeah!
Wow! Now that's what you call impact.
Ooh.
Oh.
Kick to the gut.
Cranked around into a neck breaker.
No.
Uh-oh!
Ooh, what a response.
Kendo stick to the skull.
Boom.
Ooh.
Denied with an elbow. These two are finding an answer for everything. Each athlete finding an answer for everything thrown at them. Oh, we have to get the hell out of the way. Bang! Oh, man. Oh!
Trying to wrestle free their opponent's arm. Has the arm trapped.
Oh, man, he is fired up now. Stomping. Ouch.
The Viper's lined up his prey. We know what's next.
Rollins may be laid to rest. Oh, man.
At this stage, there has to be some concern.
We'll be getting into a dire situation soon.
This is certainly an effective use of a foreign object.
Leg being manipulated with that maneuver.
Seth Rollins just getting dismantled. The attacks will not relent from the Viper. Ooh, jarring European uppercut. Ooh, stomp to the tummy. Tummy?
Oh, my God.
Oh, what a right.
Man, that's some attitude behind it.
Ooh, the arm taking the brunt of that.
Devastating attack from the Viper.
Sliding into the ring now. Jacob setting himself up top.
Take off.
Diving hammer strike.
Big punch finds its mark.
Does the official not see him removing the turnbuckle pad?
Keep your voice down. Oh, here we go. This is raw power.
Oh my goodness! Into the powerbomb.
Goes for the pin.
The end could be near.
Man, that was such a long and hard-fought match. He earned that victory.
Here is your winner, Seth freaking Rollins.
Quite the impressive victory, coming out on top against two very capable